Okay, Dr. Huebner here, Natural Transplants. I am here with Michelle, and Michelle was nice enough. We kind of talked about it a little later to say, hey, why don't we do a video for the website? So she is excited to kind of show what her process is like. I think she's may even blog on her own. Really excited. You can see that we were able to get a huge area today. And again, this is an extra tissue case that we kind of just started doing more recently for someone that has a large area and good elasticity. Similar to like a plus case that we would do for a guy, but we were able to get almost 4 to 5 fingers back, and she certainly needed it. She had a lot of area of loss. But Michelle, tell us about your journey. Tell us about when you started losing your hair and how you found us and how you ended up in this chair today.
I've been suffering from traction alopecia for about 15 or more years. Through wearing braids, wigs, weaves, especially the process where you add the net and you use the stitching and it was pulling. But by the time I realized that I had it, it was too late and I was embarrassed, so I continued to cover it, which made it worse. So I started talking about it with a friend and we were doing some research, and I've been following Natural Transplants for about 4 years now. And once I saw the results that other people had, I didn't look anywhere else. So I'm just excited to be here, and this is like going to be life-changing for me. I really appreciate it.
Yeah. And how was your day today? I mean, tell us about the facility here and the staff and how your day was overall.
The day was awesome. Dr. Huebner is wonderful. The technicians were wonderful. Everyone was patient. When we drew out my hairline, we were able to take our time. You expressed to me that we could take our time and I can get the results that I wanted. You explained everything to me. The day went well. I know a lot of people, when they get the procedure, they always talk about the process where you get the numbing, but I have a lot of tattoos, so it wasn't that bad. Once we turned on Netflix and everything, and the numbing started, going, it was fine, and I felt nothing through the whole procedure.
Cool. And I think you even fell asleep for even a short bit of time, right?
I did. I didn't want to take too much volume because I wanted to chit-chat with you guys because you're so awesome, but everything was great, and I appreciate you so much.
Absolutely. And we're going to be following you throughout the whole year so people can see how this comes in. Again, I'll just I put some before pictures on there before the surgery, but you can see the area. Now, again, I don't want to mislead anybody. This is an exceptionally good elasticity, good donor. This is not, I would say, a typical area that we do. Normally, it's about a 2 to 3 finger area, but we were able to get the extra tissue for her and as an extra tissue case. So thank you so much, Michelle, for sharing it.
I promise to keep in touch because I really wanted to take the time to do the video, and it makes a big difference when you see the stages and the steps, so we can keep in touch, and I'm willing to share so everyone else can see it.
At minimum, we're going to follow up at 4 months, 9 months, and a year, so we'll do videos then. But looking forward to seeing how this changes your life.
Thank you.
Thanks again, Michelle.
I appreciate it.
Got it. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.